So today I'll show you how to take off the spare tire for 2015 Tacoma. 2006-2015 Tacoma. So what you want to do first is, let me get stuff out of the way. Pick up the seat. You have to grab these tools right here. Let's close the door. And the spare tire is underneath the truck. You might want to put something under if you have something. And we'll be going inside this hole right here. Right in there. So yeah, I took all the tools off from here. I think I need only 3. 1, or actually 2 and 3. You might need this one if you need to go longer, but I think 2 should do it. 2 of these and this one. All you do is just connect them. Connect this to here, and just pops in just like that. And what you do is this and put it inside this hole in here. And feel it. It's supposed to, once it goes in. So you take this tool, put it in here. Just like that. And then to loosen it, you have to go this way. Spin it. And when you're spinning it, the tire lowers. Just like that. So it's supposed to look like this all the way down. The tire is loose now. So you just grab this. Oh, hold on, you take it off. You put it back in, make sure you put it inside this way. And if you need a tire, you got it. I'll show you how to put it back together. Stay tuned. So to put it back in, you make sure the face is on the bottom. This is the back of the tire, the wheel. And grab this. Here has this thing. It's supposed to go inside the... So it's supposed to go right inside this hole. Just like this. Chain, and then twist it this way. Clockwise. And it's gonna slowly pick it up. So it's supposed to look just like this when it's on, and then when you push it, it shouldn't move around. And then you take this off. Put everything back together. And that's it.